Using the Anrisu ma244xxa series of real-time peak USB power sensors with the Anrisu Power Analyzer software as shown on the screen, you can quickly and easily measure pulsed RF signals. So the first thing that we're going to do with our signal is to select the Channel Control tab to choose the appropriate scale and center value in dBm for the pulse. Parameters have been set according to the listing at the beginning of this video. So we go to Channel, and here we want to look at the pulse signal with a little bit different scale. So we'll go from 10 dB per division to 2 dB. And we'll change the center to -25. Next, we go to the Time Trigger tab. So our objective here is to look at one individual pulse signal. So we'll change our time base from 100 microseconds per division to, let's go down to 2 microseconds. Here we see an individual pulse. So one of the features of the Peak Power Analyzer software is a number of automated measurement features, and many of these are listed under automatic measurements here. So you can see various parameters such as pulse width, peak, top, bottom, skew, etc. This is the marker measurement, so we'll close automatic measurements and go to markers, and you can look at the various aspects of the pulse by shifting the markers. All the values read under marker measurements will be based on the settings of the markers that you have here. So you can also customize your measurements. You could look at adding or deleting various marker parameters in this listing, so fully customizable. So that's it for individual pulse power measurement. More information, you can go into the Anrisu website, look under pulse power sensors, and more information is for the hardware as well as the power analyzer software can be found there.